Hey lipstick gang, I'm holding this beautiful box of roses. I'm stopping and smelling the flowers because Rose Forever sent me this beautiful box of roses, you guys. And of course I'm making some lip glosses that are inspired by them. I got this pink rose lip gloss, I got this white rose lip gloss, and then I got this beautiful red rose lip gloss. It's not exactly red, but it's like red. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base, a teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can get this from my website. If you don't know it by now, it's veryveelobeauty.com. And I'm just adding that to my bowl. And of course, when I'm making glosses, I like to use polyisobutene 1200 in a tablespoon. You guys, these are both tablespoons. So yes, I am adding it to my bowl as well, and I'm mixing it up really good. Shout out to Raven Moonlight on Instagram. I'm going to put her Instagram name. She let me know, and she sent me a picture of her using my base with the Versagel versus the polyisobutene. So you guys, if you have some Versagel laying around, it works. Yes. And now I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the champagne cream mica from madmicas.com, and it's basically like a cream mica or a white mica with like a gold champagne undertone to it, a gold champagne like shimmer to it, and it is absolutely so pretty. The camera really does not do it justice, but it is so nice. And here I am just mixing it up really well, and I'm trying to get a close-up for you guys, but yes, it is so pretty. And I just decided to use a nice rose gold tone since we are stopping and smelling the roses, and we are creating these rose inspired lip glosses. Okay, now I'm going in with the pink liquid concentrate in 1/4 of a teaspoon, and you can grab this from my website. I sell it alone and I sell it in a set. So yes, most definitely check out my website for this pink liquid concentrate, and that's what's gonna make our rose color come to life along with that champagne white that we added. So yes, I'm just mixing it in, combining the two really well. And now it's time to spice it up a bit. I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of Hot Lips from Hot Lips Mica from Mad Micas, and it is a cute, like a cute hot pink mica, and it has shimmer to it as well. And it's just gonna really finish off this color perfectly. You guys, look at this consistency. So bomb, so divine. And I am finished, and I am about to put it in a squeeze tube. That's my favorite tube when it comes to glosses, because it just comes right out, and it comes out in a nice amount.
that's all right.
Voila, this is the rose pink, our first color, and it is so pretty. All right, you guys, now on to the next color. I'm going in with a tablespoon of my Very Veelo lipstick base, and then I'm going in with a tablespoon of the Poly Isobutene 1200. We're just repeating the same process for the base. Here I am again with half a teaspoon of my champagne cream mica from Mad Micas. This is what's acting as our lightener, as well as those rose gold undertones, just to keep the theme going with the roses.
That's all right.
With this color, my intention was to keep it simple and sweet and to really highlight that beautiful cream mica. And right now I'm just going to bring it out with a little bit of 1/8 of a teaspoon of the brown liquid concentrate, and you can get it from my website. And I'm just mixing it up really well into this cream. I believe that brown really complements that cream, especially when I put it on my lips. When I seen it, I was about to add red, and I was like, no, I want to keep this cream because roses are white too. So I just wanted to really highlight this cream and not do too much to it. So yes. So beautiful, and it really looks good on my lips. It's like a warm, nice cream. I would have added some brown sugar, like a cookie type of scent or flavor to it. That would have went really well with that color. Now I'm going in with my base and the polyisobutene again in a tablespoon each, equal parts. And I am going to start on my last color. And I'm sorry if I've been out of frame on this video. Oh my gosh. I realized it at the last minute. I was like, you weren't even in the frame, girl. But next time I will do better. Now I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the start of the show, that champagne cream, mica again. And I'm just going to add that to my bowl and mix it in really, really well. Again, and I'm adding a little bit of red to bring out the red element. I didn't want to do a full-blown red lipstick because I've done that already, so I'm just adding a little bit of red. I knew that it would be on a lighter side because of the cream that we added in first, but this red is going to do just the trick to get me a nice color. That's coming together pretty. If you want to stop right there, you could. If you're trying to get this shade right here, which is really, really pretty. It looks like yum yum sauce, like mayonnaise and ketchup, but it also looks like a nice peach color too. So hey, there's more than one ways to get to the color that, or the shade that you like. So yes, I really like this shade, but I'm not done. I want to go ahead and add more depth to this shade. Like I said before, if you want to stop here, that would be bomb. But yes, oh, a good flavor for that would be like a Prosecco peach in terms of flavors. But yes, this is really cute, a really cute color. I keep playing with it because I was like, I don't know if I want to add something or if I want to stop, but of course I'm going to add something. So I am going to go in with about 1/8 of a teaspoon of this Angry Rose, and I chose this color because of the name and the theme, of course. And I'm going to add that to my bowl, and I'm going to mix it in really well, and it's just going to bring some depth to this peach that we have created, and also some more shimmer. But yes, the depth is going to make it show up on my lips a little more because I am so melanated that it's so sheer on me, but it's such a pretty color. I promise it is. And I'm just mixing it here, and I am glad that I did add that Angry Rose because it really gave me a cute color. It's almost like a nude in a way, without using brown, so that was interesting. But yes, this is it, and I'm going to go ahead and bottle this up, and I'm done.
That's all right.
Now that we are done with our Angry Rose lip gloss, I wanted to show you guys how it came out, and it came out absolutely stunning on my lips, and I love the gold undertones, and it seemed like it's really popping that angry rose combined with that cream. And these are all of the rose inspired glosses that we made today. Yes, I want you guys to head over to roseforever.com and check out their bouquets, their box bouquets. And of course, they were so gracious to give you guys $15 off of any of their box bouquets with the code Victoria Low 15. So please take advantage of that. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.